Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Aussie Pinoy. I'm looking at this, guys. I got some timber, I got tools. Now I am going to make a bench here for my seedlings, because at the moment my seedlings just on the ground, because the sun in the morning straight into this one here. I'm not gonna get that high. Medyo mababa lang para lang sa aking mga seedlings. Now I'm on my gear. Ganito guys ang carpintero, no? 1100. Now, kasi aking pencil. Yung aking pencil my pencil. Yeah, kasi nga lagi akong na problema ba ako sa aking sa aking mga seedlings. Seedlings every time I go propagation. I don't have my other pencil, but I just use this one. How long is this one? I will double this. That's good. 1100, 1200. So, cut this one. Kakat ko ito guys. Ito ang gagamitin ko. I have to get my pencil first. I don't think I have my pencil here. I have a knife, standing knife. I don't have a pencil. But anyway. Yeah. Ganito guys ang trabaho ko before. I was a carpenter till I retired, but now, and this one, which is gonna be here. So I'm going to put another one like this, but this one I put it here. I think this one's a little bit high actually. Maybe it's not because it's up to there. So yeah, I will nail this one first to here, like that, and then the other one. I have to cut this one a little bit. I think it's only gonna be a meter. It's 1200. So this one I'll nail it. I don't have to okay, so this is what's gonna happen. So how long am I gonna be? $2,500 is 24. It's double that. Okay. Masyadong maiksi. Ganito. It's good. Right. Maybe 800, I think, with 700 or even 600. We're gonna be 600. 600. $600. That's it there. 600. Okay na yan. Para sa aking, it's only for my seedlings, guys. It's not gonna be heavy, but I've put reinforcement to it. So, okay. And then shelves. That's 60. 60. Shelves. Shelves. Ah, it's good. Ba ito? 600 ba ito? 560. 540. Short. Kukuha lang ako ng timber, guys, dito sa ilalim ng bahay namin. Maghahanap ako ng recycle na timber. Kasi nandun sa harapan yung mga kahoy namin. Pero meron dito natira sa ilalim ng bahay. At kukunin ko, guys. Saglit lang, ha. Mga timber namin, guys. This is from work. I need some more timber, honey. Need some more timber. Hi. Recycle. From all over here. And dumating ang jowa ko, guys. At nanghingi ako ng kahoy. I lost my pencil. Lost my pencil. Alright. Chuck. Chuck, chuck. Medyo mainit ang panahon ngayon, guys. Kaya samantalahin ko na lang kahit mainit. I'm working under the heat of the sun. So doesn't matter. Kesa naman sa umulan. Maigin na rin ito. Busy kasi, guys, jiwawa ko busy. That's why I'm gonna do this myself. 90, no wonder. This is 585. 585. 550. 585. Doon dapat ito yung aking seedlings kay sa aking greenhouse. Kaya lang, naando na yung aking mga chicken. Kaya, gagawa na lang ako ng maliit lang. 585. Para lang naman to sa aking mga seedlings eh. Kasi nahirapan ako lagi na sa ground. At least pag nagawa ko na ito, di nakaangat na sila sa lupa. Kahit hindi ko na sila isilong. Kasi lalagyan ko ng plastic sa ibabaw sa kanilang bubong. Kahit hindi na sila isilong pa. Umulat umaraw, basta naandyan lang sila. Yeah. It's just a shelf honey for my seedlings. I'm gonna put those boards that I have on the side. Hi. Dito na lang po muna tayo, guys. Mahaba na itong video ko. May part 2 po ito, guys. I will see you sa part 2. Bye for now, guys. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you sa part 2. Bye for now. Pagod, oy. Pero okay lang. Ganun talaga.